The Trypanosoma cruzi agent of Chagas disease may produce long-lasting asymptomatic infections that may break open into clinically recognized pathology. The finding of the Trypanosoma cruzi nests in the seminiferous tube of a boy that died of Chagas disease suggested the research protocol to unravel the possible sexual transmission of the Chagas parasites. Deliver health care for the period of 5 years and recruit the family showing participants with clinical symptoms of acute Chagas disease, ACD. Obtain 15 ml of venous blood of family participants on 3 occasions 1 year apart, divide it in 3 5 ml aliquots, and store at 4 centigrades. Collect 2 ml of the serum ejaculate from adult volunteers. Show the T-cruzi in the blood of the ACD cases to validate the molecular assays. Isolate the T-cruzi from the ACD blood aliquot stored in sterile 10 ml tube with anticoagulant. Inoculate 5 ml of the blood into 50 ml tube slants plus 5 ml of liver infusion tryptose medium and incubate in a shaker at 27 centigrades for 3 months. Search microscopy for the T-cruzi in 100 microliter of the supernatant on the glass slide. Harvest the flagellates from the medium centrifuged at 1000 times G for 10